Hello everyone, this video I will show you our new example cover of KinCony's PCB board because our customer always ask us how to OEM KinCony's product. Before we use this plastic shoe, I think you can print a label and stick at this cover. And this is by this plastic shoe. And this time we are designing a new solution for our customer. So this you can see that is a metal cover. It's made by aluminum, so this is lightweight. It's not heavy. And also you can see on the cover, you can print the label by the laser, so that the text will be very beautiful. And this is structure. And in this video, I will show you how to make this cover and how it works when installed on KinCony's PCB board. You can see this is our diagram of the metal cover. We are designing some different metal cover for different PCB board. This is deal with the metal board.
Shutterstock Music.
Okay, you can see here is our plastic shell of our PCB board before we have used. And for example, this is our KinCony server. This is our PCB board. And if we have installed this CM4 module on this socket, because it's Raspberry Pi CM4, and install the heatsink, and you will see the board will be at this. And you can see here, if I install it to the box and install the cover, and will be at this way. Okay, let's look at this is our design, the new cover for the server and the structure. And this can install the antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. Just you can easily to dry out this hole. And this is aluminum. So you can see I can replace this cover and install this cover easily. So you can see here, that is KinCony server mini version new cover. And we can see the weight. You can see here. Now is 0. And this cover 88. And this cover 67. So this will be lightweight. And also let's test the size of the material. So you can see this is one. I think for this cover is enough. And also we have designed some other board. You can see that is A16 board. And we can use this potential and install this A16. And you can see here that is A16. So you can install it here. So this is for A16 board. Okay, the next and you can see this is A8S board. A8S, and this is SIM card, and put into this box. And here we can see that is for A8S board, and you can install and see here. And this side. So this is A6S. And remove this board. And here you can see that is AP, that for ESP32 dimmer board. So we can install it here. And you can see that is for AP. This is smart dimmer controller. So you can see also I can install it here. And this is for the dimmer. Here with this plastic shoe, so you can see here that we have reduced the space. So you can see this we are designing these 4 styles of the PCB board, and if you have any suggestion, you can leave your message. We will implement this cover and make it more perfect. Thanks for watching.